This we are solving paper of 2022 IPM paper, right? We are still part of it. I'm solving now. Chalo. Shall I increase the bandwidth? Correct. Okay. Everybody can see this?
Yes, sir.
Chalo,
Yes,
very good.
sir.
Okay. Ganishka, read beta.
Study the given weighing scales and arrange the animals in ascending order of their weight.
Very good. Correct.
Yeah, teacher.
So how will you do quickly, beta?
First, look at the weight of cow and pig.
Very
So
good.
the pig is lighter than the cow.
Very good. The calf is greater than pig, right?
Yeah.
Very good.
Then dog and pig. The dog is lighter than the pig.
Very good. So pig के बाद यहाँ पे dog आएगा. Correct?
Then then horse and cow. While the horse is heavier than the cow, and the
Correct.
cow is lighter than the horse.
Correct. So this is how I put it. So arrange in a ascending order. Ascending order के लिए what you need to put? This is descending order. Ascending के लिए we have to do reverse, right?
D,
Pig,
P, C, D.
C, N, H. Correct? So you have to find what is the ascending and what is descending order. Accordingly, you can find first. Right? Clear?
Fourth option.
Anybody don't understand, please ask me. Right?
Fourth option.
Fourth option. Very good. Correct. Anybody don't understand, stop me there and ask. Right? Chalo. Next. Dhiran, read kar.
Arrange the following measures of length in descending order of their value and state one will come at fourth place.
Very good. क्या लिखा है?
100 millimeters, 47 centimeters, 2 meters, 750 centimeters, 4 meters.
Very good. क्या करने का है?
Step.
डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, राइट?
हाँ.
सबसे पहले क्या करेगा? व्हाट विल डू फर्स्ट?
4 meters.
नहीं, व्हाट विल डू फर्स्ट बेटा?
We have to place them in descending order.
वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट व्हाट विल डू?
We'll start with 4 meters.
क्यों 4 मीटर?
Fourth place, na?
I have the 750 बड़ा number, right? I have 47 also. I have 300 also. Why are you taking 4? 4 is the small number.
Because that is millimeters.
हाँ?
Because that is millimeters and centimeters.
हाँ, तो क्या करेगा?
Meters बड़ा होता.
अच्छा. Okay. Anybody can tell me what exactly will do? The number may change. What will do?
4 meters, 2 meters.
Wait. Don't jump onto the conclusion. Wait. You are not doing correctly. Ganishka, Viv,
No, ma. No,
tell me what you will do.
I know the 31st one. First, we need to see the highest number, highest value in this.
How will you check a How's value?
We need to see in millimeter, centimeter, and meters, which is the highest. First will come a meter, then it will be centimeter, then it will be millimeter.
Very good. Chalo, I'll give different question, right? I give you this. Forget about this question. I don't want to answer this question, right? Who is on 31?
Me.
31 पे कौन है?
Me.
क्यों 31 पे है? Have you solved this?
Yes.
Tell me कैसे किया?
Sir, first I have to write the number 243 multiply by 4.
है? Multiply by 4?
243 multiply by 4.
क्यों? Why? Why are you multiplying? Why are you multiplying?
I don't know.
We
Because
don't move ahead when I'm teaching something. Don't go to another question. There is no hurry, right?
yes,
You got it?
yes.
See on the question what I'm teaching, right?
Hmm.
Now tell me the question, how will you solve this? If you want to arrange this in the descending order, how will you solve?
Arrange the following measures of length in descending order of their value and state which one will come at fourth place.
करेक्ट है?
Yes.
चलो.
The first 300 millimeters.
How will you do it? Navika,
Yes.
tell me how will you solve this, beta?
The fourth one will come
No, I don't want fourth. I want how you will solve. I don't want fourth one कौन सा आएगा. I don't want answer. I
Or we
want
have
the
to be
method.
biggest.
हाँ?
The biggest is meters. So from meter there is 2 meters and 4 meters. So
कौन बोल रहा है बेटा?
biggest is
कौन बोल रहा है?
Dhiran.
मेरे को पूछा मैंने? मैं किसको पूछा बेटा?
No, this.
तेरा आंसर गलत है तभी तो मैं तेरे को नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ ना. I told you it is not the right method to do it. चलो. Navika, know how to solve? No, right?
No,
Very good.
not
चलो.
really.
No problem. मैंने क्या बोला? If you don't know, answer is very simple, right? Sir, I don't know. है ना?
Yes.
आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल. फिर इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रही है? नाउ आई एम राइटिंग हियर. मैंने क्वेश्चन हटा दिया. नाउ सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग हियर. जस्ट टेल मी दिस. ओके. ऐड दिस नंबर्स. कैसे करोगे?
The two. I don't know.
सॉरी, आई डोंट नो. वेरी गुड. धीरान कैसे ऐड करेगा बेटा?
First we have to write 300 plus 47 plus 2.
वेरी गुड. So I write 300 plus 47 plus 2 plus 750 plus 4. ऐसे ऐड करूं? ऐसे ऐड करूं बेटा?
नहीं.
नहीं. क्यों?
हाँ.
Ganishka, tell me how will you add बेटा?
First we go with the ones.
No. Is it correct way to add? I am asking you this. Is it correct way to add?
No.
Why? Why not the correct way to add?
I don't know. That is the correct way.
Is it correct way? Dhiran says it is correct way.
There is
Ganishka,
one more way.
नहीं, one more way नहीं. Correct है ना ये way?
No.
नहीं. Okay, what is wrong?
Ma'am, sir.
हाँ.
If he is not written the millimeter, centimeter, meter and
So I will write ना. I will write. चलो. Okay. I will write here, right? I will write here. Don't worry. ठीक है. You want to write this? I will write here, right? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, centimeter and meter, right? ठीक है. हो गया. अब now can I add this?
Yes.
yes.
Very good. Correct. Ganishka? Now
Yes,
can I
sir.
add this? Okay, chalo, I'll add this, right? This is 13, 1 carry over. Okay, you have 4 plus 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry over, 10, 11. 1103, I got it, right? What is that? Centimeter, millimeter or meter? What I should write?
Millimeter.
Millimeter?
Yes.
Sure.
How will we know?
Is it millimeter?
Yes.
How will we know? We are adding meters and stuff. No, how will we know?
I don't know. You
cannot
told me
add.
to do it. Hello, Ganishka. I don't know what
Yes.
you are doing. You are teaching me. I am not a teacher here. I am a student here. You all are teaching me.
But we cannot add because centimeter plus meter plus millimeter.
अब समझ में आया? अब जाके ध्यान तेरा दिमाग चला? हाँ धीरान? Now you got it? First thing what you should do is, if you want to add, subtract or compare, what you should do? You should have the same unit. Correct na?
Yes. Yeah.
How can you compare 4 meter with the 750 centimeter? How can you compare 47 centimeter with the 2 meter? How can you get millimeter to this? Not possible, right? So first, if you want to compare, okay, chalo, we'll have a exam, right? Chalo, maths exam, we'll take it. Correct? Chalo, I'll give you math exam, right? We all appear. Sorry, मेरा वीडियो क्यों बंद है? ठीक है. We'll all appear into. Viv, mic or video on kar beta. Viv, you have to keep the video on.
Okay.
We all give the same exam, right? We all give the
Same exam.
same exam. Who will do fast and who will do correctly?
We all.
Sir, I will try.
Beta, I am also part of it. मैं भी exam दे रहा हूँ. I am also giving exam.
Then
Same
you
exam
will
है.
only do correct.
हैं?
You will only do correctly then.
क्यों? Why? How do you know? Because I am a math teacher. I have more practice. I have more learning. And my age is also very right. So fair होगा ये. क्या
नहीं.
कर रहा है? नीचे रख. Adapter नीचे रख. Dhiran, keep the adapter down. हाँ? Correct है? Is it a fair comparison? No, right? Yes or no?
No.
Let's cook. Okay. What I'll do? You will cook with your mom.
No.
Dhiran, adapter नीचे रख. Adapter नीचे रख. Dhiran, keep the adapter down. Correct. We'll have a competition with cooking with mom, right? Will I be able to cook so fast, or will you be able to cook so fast as mom is doing, or as delicious as that? No, right?
No.
It's the wrong comparison, right? So whenever you have to come, Wave,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Sir, कॉल आया था.
किसका कॉल आया था?
सर पापा के भाई का, पापा के बड़े भाई का बच्चे का.
If you want to attend the class, tell them, pick up the call and say कि I am busy, call me after 1 hour. Correct है?
Okay.
हाँ, ठीक है, चलो. So now whatever you are doing here, what you'll do? You will not be able to do anything because you have to first convert them into proper units, right? Chalo, now I am giving you 30 seconds. Convert them into any one unit, whichever you want. Chalo, quick. Fast do it. I'm bringing the water bottle. Jaldi karo. I want all this to be converted into single unit. Which unit you will convert? Quickly. Write in a book and keep it ready. I don't want, sir, I am doing it in my head. Write in the book. Come on.
Where in the world will I get? That's like
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
जो आपको जो क्या है 300 millimeters, 47 centimeters, 2 meters, 750 centimeters, 4 meters. इन्हें
What you will convert? चलो 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 wait. What do you convert into?
Sir, how to do?
मेरे को क्या मालूम? How do I know? मैंने तुमको कन्वर्जन का दिया था ना, राइट? I gave you how to convert into.
खाली एक कट करवाना. Example, मिलीमीटर से खाली है ना सेंटीमीटर 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 तो मीटर
Ganishka,
मीटर
Yes, sir.
what you will convert, बेटा?
प्रश्न आंसर थे खाली
We need to turn 300 will be the same because it's
Hey,
millimeter.
what you will convert into? Dhiran, wait. Dhiran, you have to convert into 1 unit, right?
Yeah.
What will you convert into? Huh? Beta, what will you convert into?
I don't know.
Any 1 unit into. Can you convert centimeter into meter and millimeter into meter or meter into millimeter, millimeter into centimeter? Can you convert? Can you convert, yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Did I give you any worksheet to solve this way? Let me check. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
yes
Did I give the worksheet to solve? Yes or no?
बोला तो मैं नो
No. Very good. नहीं दिया बेटा मैंने ये. It is not the worksheet which I have given you conversion. It is given in July 2025, before 9 months. I have not given conversion. Huh? And let's see who has submitted. Everybody must have submitted. Right. कौन है ये? Very good. Dhiran? Ansh? Submit किया बेटा? Okay, let me open. Ganishka? Submitted?
Yes.
Okay, length. Let me check the length only, right? Because we are doing length right now. Ganishka, and this is Dhiran, right? I'm checking only to everybody is done, but I'm checking this too. Can you see this? Done conversion?
नो
1 meter, centimeter to millimeter, kilometer to meter, meter to millimeter, meter to centimeter, kilometer to meter. Done? Conversion है ना? It done or no?
Yes.
yes sir
So what is the problem here? Everybody solved, right? And what? August we have solved. 1 minute, huh? Just hold on. Yeah,
but
right?
need it 4 people
It is done or no?
जो बनता
Is it done or no?
Yes.
Correct? So you solved, that means you know conversion, right? Dhiran, कब किया था ये? July, right? And you say you have not done it, right? तेरा ही नाम है ना Dhiran? Ganeshka, it is your name, right?
Yes.
Dhiran,
Yes, sir.
is it your name, right? You've done in August, right?
Yes.
That means you know how to convert, right? But if you don't practice it again, you don't revise, you will not be able to solve them, right? Correct? Hai? Chalo, next. Let's go here. Okay. So what you need to convert? Now tell me, which is the bigger unit? Meter, centimeter or millimeter?
Meter.
Then,
Centimeter. Centimeter.
then,
Then millimeter.
Question change.
always
First,
always you want to
the
convert.
तो answer change 300.
Always you want to convert. What you do is convert to smallest unit, right? Always convert to smallest unit because it is very easy to convert. Correct, hai na?
Yes.
Very good.
मुझे खबर नहीं millimeter.
So now 300 millimeter, it is 300 millimeter only, right? I'm converting everything into millimeter right now, right? Then 47 centimeters is equal to how many millimeter?
470.
Very good.
Average होता है ना. And this is 2 meters is how much?
Then for 2 meters is equal to
How many
2000.
2000.
then
750.
750 centimeter.
Millimeter.
If I have to convert millimeter, what I'll do?
7500.
Correct. And then
Then 4000.
now all are millimeter. Now I can compare. Understood?
Yes.
So whenever you want to add, subtract or compare, what you should know? You should convert into the same unit. Then only you can add, subtract. Correct? Or you want to compare, you want to put the same or ordering. Correct, na?
Yes.
You can't see only numbers. You have to check the units also, right?
Yes.
Now I want to check the fourth number. I don't have to arrange in a ascending or descending order, right? I just have to check when I put in descending order, what is the fourth number. So this is first. Dhiran, गलत हो गया ना तू पहले बेटा? You are putting the number first, right?
Yes.
अरे ना तुम क्या कर रहे थे? You are putting the meter first, which is wrong, right? तो यहाँ पे this will be first, this will be second, this will be third, and this will be fourth. Correct है ना? So what will be fourth place? Fourth place will be
7 centimeter.
47 centimeter. Correct? Understood?
Yes.
Everybody, clear है?
Yes,
This side is
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, even if you want to compare anything, what you will do? First, what you will do? What you will do first?
Make it to millimeter.
Millimeter.
No, convert into single unit because sometimes it will not be only millimeter, right? Sometimes it will be length, sometimes it will be capacity, sometimes it will be weight. What do you do? Sometimes it will be fraction. What do you do? Right?
Convert into smallest.
Convert into like term or convert into same unit, right?
Yes. Convert
And
into
preferably smaller unit, right? Right.
કરતા જ આવડે જ તમે તને આવડે સિમ્પલ છે જો આ પૂછ અહીંયા શું આવે મલ્ટીપ્લાય આ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું અને આન્સરનું અહીંયા અહીંયા ફર્સ્ટ આન્સર આવે ને ઈ
ठीक है? Clear है?
What did she
So what you need to do is first convert into like unit, then you do whatever, ascending, descending, whatever you want to compare, addition, subtraction, whatever they ask you, you can do it, right?
to go now?
And always convert into same unit. What unit you will convert? You always go to the lower unit, right? Because then you multiply, you can easily convert, right? What digit would you come in the place of heart? Array, leaf. The multiplication. Very good. Can you tell me? What is the
I
answer?
know how to do.
भाई आंसर क्या आएगा?
I know the answer.
Forget about answer. Let me. Acha, which cannot be the answer? You tell me this.
None
Which,
of these.
no. Which can? How do you know?
Uh,
Not necessarily none of this. None of this you cannot decide. Which cannot be the answer?
First, we have to do this.
No, without doing. Just I am not showing you this. 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 Chalo, I am giving you all the hints. Which cannot be the answer?
How do we know?
4 to the
8.
so 7 cannot be answer, right?
Yeah.
Minimum to minimum. It is multiplication. Minimum to minimum, it will be 8, right?
Yes.
It can be 8, it can be 9, it can be 10, depending on the what kind of this thing, right?
Yes.
It cannot be 7, right? Na?
Yes.
Clear or no?
Yes.
Sometimes I understand what I'm asking, right? Now it is 12, 1 carryover, 17, 1 carryover, answer is 9, correct? It is very simple thing to do, not very difficult, correct? Era?
yes.
Chalo. Messy practice, this is done already. Which of the joined beside the make a rectangle? Very nice. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy.
Sir, 2.
2. 2 कैसे बनेगा यहाँ पे रेक्टेंगल? 2 यहाँ पे डालेगा ये रेक्टेंगल बनेगा? ये यहाँ पे रखेगा तो ये रेक्टेंगल लिख रहा है तेरे को? हैं? हाँ धीरान?
Nine. Sir, 4.
4.
Yes.
पक्का?
पक्का.
वेरी गुड. चलो मैं यहाँ पे डाल के देखता हूँ 4 को, राइट? If
Sir,
I
I
put it
put
4
4.
here, कहाँ गया? ओके. I put the 4 here, right? ये बड़ा है यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
It is making a square.
No.
रेक्टेंगल बन रहा है.
Sir, 4.
अब तो कोई out of 4 anyone will be there ना. You tell me the logic. Here you want a bigger number. Simple logic, right? If I want to complete this rectangle, use some brain, right? What you want to do it? Just go like this. You want to paint a rectangle. You just put this way. Just put this way. Put like this. And see. What you can see?
Fourth shape.
खत्म है, right? इतना simple, right?
Rectangle.
To make it rectangle, what you need? This just go through this and find it. Clear. Khatam, right?
Sir, 4 is the answer.
बेटा I know 4 is the answer. Common sense समझ में आया? How to find? Don't say 2, sir, 3, 4, 1. Not like this. Simple common sense, right? What do you want to achieve? Just make a diagram here and find it. What is the shape nearing to it? Khatam. Observe the numbers pattern 19, 20, 22, 25, 29, 34, 40. What is the next answer would be? Very easy.
So easy. 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 plus
Uh,
2 is 22.
What is the answer? Tell me the answer fast.
47.
Very nice. Okay. Tell me the logic. Dhiran,
Yes.
logic बता 47 कैसा है answer?
Number.
How you get the 47 answer?
19 plus
Huh?
1, 20.
Sorry?
19 plus 1 equal to 20.
फिर?
20 plus 2 equal to 22.
Very good. फिर?
22 plus 3 equal to 24.
So what are you doing? What are you doing?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, adding plus 1, plus
Then
2,
2.
plus 3,
Then
plus 4,
Plus 5.
plus 5, plus 6, and then it will be plus 7. Correct?
Yeah.
Clear, everyone?
yes.
So when I ask you what is the logic you are using, so you have to give me this, sir, incrementing 1 every time, right?
Yes.
Correct? View?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ गए? नविका,
Yes.
समझ में आया?
हाँ समझ में आया.
तो आया तो बोलो समझ में आया. यस सर. और
Yes.
इससे नो सर. चलो ये अभी मैं यहाँ पे दिखाता नहीं हूँ. Let's see this. Okay, चलो. Okay, who will read this? Navika, read.
For me.
Yes. The teacher
अरे
asked
इधर
the
इधर 35 ये वाला.
3 glasses of juice can fill a jug.
Hmm.
Capacity of the jug is 750 millimeters.
Hmm.
How many glasses of juice will be required if you want 3 liters of juice?
Very good. कैसे करेगी? Can you do it? Navika, can you do it?
I don't know.
वेरी गुड. चलो तो गुरु में इतना टाइम क्यों लगाया? पहली चीज मैंने क्या सिखाई? इफ यू डोंट नो यू शुड नॉट टेक अ सिंगल सेकंड, राइट?
Yes.
नाउ हु विल डू इट? हु वांट्स टू डू इट?
Me.
हु, मी?
Dira.
हाँ, धीरान, टेल मी.
3 glasses of juice can fill a jug. Capacity of jug is 750 ml. How many glasses of juice will be required if you want 3 liters of juice?
You failed reading only. Okay, Ganishka,
Yes, sir.
will you rightly solve?
I don't know.
Very good, don't know. Weave?
But I don't know.
Very good. ठीक है. Now see how I am solving, right? धीरान, पहले तू रीड करने में फेल हो गया, right? What I taught you? When you want to read this, 3 glass of juice can fill a jug. यहाँ पे क्या? What is this?
Full stop.
Full stop means?
Full stop.
Full means it completely. Stop means wait, right?
Yes.
Think what they are saying, right?
Yes.
So what is that? It is
Here is a full stop.
correct. What you are saying is 1, 2, 3 glass will become a jug, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And jug capacity, now this is when I put these 3 glass inside, I will get a jug and fill the jug, right? Now capacity of jug is what?
750 ml.
Yeah.
Correct? Now what is the capacity of glass? How you can find?
Make
Three
all
glass,
full.
3 glass will make 750 ml, right?
Yes.
So what is the 1 glass capacity? Something
250.
plus something plus something is equal to 750, right?
And
250.
250 plus 250 or 250 or 750 divided by 3, correct?
Yes.
Very good. Now what you want to make? 3 liters, right?
Yes.
So you 3 glass becomes 750, correct? So 750, you want to make it 3 liters, right? So 3 liters, how many? This is ml, right? So you want to make a 3 liter. How much? What? How will you find it?
1000 milliliter is 1 liter.
1000. Very good. Tell me. First, because I am
1000
comparing, right?
milliliters make 1 liter.
Very good. तो यहाँ पे कितना होगा?
3000 milliliters make 3 liters.
Very good. Correct?
Yeah.
I got this. Now 750 plus 750 plus 750. How many times I add this to make it 3 liters? 3 liters. 750 plus 750 become 1500, right?
Yes.
And 1000 plus 1500 become 3. So it is 750 into 4 times, right?
Yes.
750 into 4 times will become 3 liters, right? So you require 4 jugs. And each jug will have 3 glasses to it. So कितना glasses लगेगा?
9.
9?
12.
12.
अरे यार. Correct? और 9 तो आंसर भी नहीं है. 9 is not there in the answer also.
12.
Right? See, I have written on the top. 750 plus 750 plus 750, 750 will become 3 liters, right? So it is 3 glass plus 3 glass plus 3 glass plus 3 glass will be 12 glass. One glass is 750 upon 3, which will be 250 ml. So 250 ml into 4 will become, I solved it in two different ways, right? I have taken
Yes.
250 ml, multiply by 4, because whenever there is a 25, you can easily convert into 100, right? By multiplication. So 25 multiplied by 4 will become 100, and 250 multiplied by 1000, 4 will become 1000. So it will become 1. So 4 glass require for 1 liter. Similarly, you will require 3 liters. So that's why you take 4 into 3 is equal to 12 glasses. Both ways is this fine to do it, right?
Sir, can I do?
हाँ करो.
The teacher asked the students in her class to draw their favorite shapes on the board. The board was filled as follows.
As flows नहीं, follows.
As follows.
हाँ.
Which of the following numbers can be put in the chart below the shapes to represent their count?
Very good.
How many stars are there?
5 stars are
Five.
there.
Ka, Dhanishka. Who is solving?
There are.
5 stars.
5 star. Very good. Chalo, I got a 5. Correct? Acha, when you got this 5, which cannot be the answer? पहले ये decide करो. Which cannot be the answer? 5 stars, na?
Yes.
So why doing this? This cannot be the answer, right or no?
These
Yes
cannot
or
be
no?
done. Yes.
How many squares are there? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4, 5.
Answer आ गया दोबारा?
हाँ.
खत्म ना? Do I have to check circle or hexagon? Do I have to check?
No.
No, because you have to become, when you're solving the IPM papers or IMO papers, you have to become extremely lazy, right? Circle कितना check करो? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle 6 आ गया? It will match only, beta, right? But still, if you want to check this, check. Hexagon कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hexagon, right? Done. Clear है?
Yes.
So, but after second, you don't have to check, because in second only it is exiting, right? Correct है? Yes or no?
Yes.
ठीक है. Now, diamond is equal to 30 and flower is equal to 15. Then what is the following is true? Very nice. First one, can it be done? No, right?
No.
Because both values are not equal, right?
Yeah.
So first is definitely not the answer, correct? But if you
Yes.
add them, what will become? It will become 45 and this will become 60, correct?
40. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
No.
This is what it will become?
Yeah.
That will become 45.
30
This will become
plus 15
45.
plus
And this will
50.
become,
It will become
50.
50.
This is also not the answer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Chala. Now, this will become what? 30 plus
15
30,
plus
60 minus 15. It will be
30.
45.
45.
Right.
And 15 into 45, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
This is correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah.
Done.
सर चेंज कलर नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
क्या नहीं समझ में आया? What you did? 30 plus 30. This is 30 plus 30 minus 15, correct?
Yes.
Is equal to कितना हो गया? 60 minus 15 is equal to 45.
Yeah.
Then you do what? 15 plus 15 plus 15 is equal to 45.
Yes.
इसमें क्या था जो सब what was there you did not understand? What is that they did not understand? Dhiran,
Understood.
understood. तो color change, why you said color change समझ में नहीं आया सर. चलो, okay, next. चलो, next. In a fruit shop, a board says the buy 4 apples for 36. Correct?
If you want to buy
What do you
15
do?
apples,
What do you do?
how much amount you will have to pay?
Give.
I'll
Better
take
read the question.
this.
Oh, in a fruit shop, a board say buy 4 apples for 36 rupees. If
Hmm.
you want to buy 15 apples, how much amount you will have to pay?
Galat. Galat question, right? Galat way. What is this?
Full stop.
You have to stop there, right? See what is exactly doing, right? Can you do anything about this?
No.
No.
No, yes.
What? What you can do?
We have to multiply.
What will you multiply?
We have to multiply. Wait, 36 rupees multiply by 15.
अच्छा, 36 multiplied by
15.
you? I have not read up till now here. Hello? View.
Yes.
I haven't read. Correct?
Yes.
I haven't read up till this point. अभी तो मेरे को आगे 15 है. I don't know even this, right? I only read this first statement. Can I find anything out of this?
No.
Why no?
Sir, I don't know.
Very good. Ganishka,
Yes, sir.
can you find anything, any information? Can you extract any information from this?
No.
No.
Mm.
After reading the first statement, can you not find anything?
Sir, we have to, for 4 apples, we get 30.
Correct. When we pay for 36 rupees, we'll get 4 apples, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Anything else you can find? That is what I'm asking. Anything else you can find out of this?
In a fruit shop.
Nine.
4 apple, if we buy 4 apple, we have to give 36 rupees.
Correct. So do you think every time we will buy 4 apples? I may buy 5 also. Ganishka may buy 2. We will buy 7. Correct?
Yes.
So how will you
We
pay?
need to say how much one apple is.
Very good. Correct? Common sense lagaya? Have you put the common sense in place?
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. Last time also what we did? What we did? 750 ml, 250 ml, right? So what is the 1 cup we'll put it, right? So how do you find the value of 1 apple?
12 rupees.
Beta, I don't know the answer. I am saying how will you find? I said how will you find? If 4 apples cost 36, how will you find the cost of 1 apple?
Mm.
Three glasses of juice make 750 ml, correct? So how do you find 1 glass ka? Ganeshka, how did you do it up upper wala?
I don't know.
36 divided by 4, correct?
Yes.
So every apple will cost the same thing, right?
9.
एक मिनट. Why it is?
Sir, what is this?
कुछ नहीं.
36 divided by 4 is
Rupees 9, right?
yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now then you will have to have 15 apple. 15 multiplied by 9 is equal to what? 135. Correct?
135.
So this is, see, unless you read this first, if you are unable to find How you can do it? Otherwise, you keep on reading the numbers, you will not get the answer, right? That is why you read one and then conclude one and then you do it, right? Chalo. 3 a.m. today to 3 p.m. next day. How many hours has passed?
24.
It is AM to PM, beta. So 3 a.m.
So
to 3 a.m.
None of these.
is equal to 24 hours, right? And
Not
Sir, she said none of this.
wait. 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. How many hours? 12 hours, right? So total how
yes.
many hours? Total
5.
36 hours. 45?
36.
None of this.
Correct? So 36 hours is not there. Correct?
None of these.
None of this. Right? Chalo. Next.
The sum of the place values of the digit 6 in the given two numbers 1467
Mama.
and 4608 is equal to which of the following?
Very easy. Very, very easy. The sum of the place value of digit 6 in the two given number. What is the place value here? What is the place value here?
Tens.
60, right? Place value. I'm not saying place. What is the place value here? 600, right?
600.
So when you add them, what will you get? 600.
600
plus 66. 660.
Correct? Easy da?
Yes.
But
Yes.
you have to be carefully, very fast to do it, right? When you see the place value, sum, the moment you write sum, you just put a add sign. Place value. So you know place value of the 6. You have a 6, this number is not even, you should focus only on 6. 60 and 6 here. 600. Khatam, right? If you keep on writing such a fast thing, I am not bothered about any other digit. It is 6 given. It is a place check karo. Write down the place value. Write down the place value. That's it done.
No. From that 4608, remove the 4 and add 6. The upper wala
कुछ
6.
जरूरत नहीं है बेटा कुछ जरूरत नहीं है
And then remove
they
the
want
8.
place value right they place value got a place value 600 I am not bothered about 4 है यहाँ पे 8 है 0 है I am least bothered about I am only bothered about the place of the 6 digit given right
Yes.
that's it correct चलो
Sir, can we do something easy?
easy है बेटा सब कुछ easy है if you think logically it is all going to be easy right
Sir, make us do money.
हाँ
I want to do money.
क्या मछली
Money.
One.
मछली
Money.
Money.
I am not getting it what you are saying
मनमी
He wants to do money.
मनमी मनमी
money okay
मनमी
Not machli.
अच्छा मनी यू वांट टू डू इट मनी तो तुम्हारे पास है ना पेपर करो तुम्हारे पास ऑलरेडी यू हैव चैप्टर राइट व्हाई यू वांट टू डू इट हियर मेरे साथ क्यों करना है राइट
ऐसा ही करना.
नहीं डू इट योरसेल्फ बेटा अगर डाउट आएगा तो आई एम सॉल्विंग द पेपर नाउ आई विल नॉट डू एनी टॉपिकल चैप्टर्स राइट फॉर दिस नेक्स्ट 2.5 months आई विल डू ओनली पेपर्स नथिंग एल्स राइट
No IPF. No IPF.
दिस क्या था किसका था
Sir,
ये
this is so difficult.
कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है रो मत
Yes.
बच्चों की तरह सर डिफिकल्ट नहीं ये ना वो है
These are the answers. This is very difficult.
IPM is not going to be easy any which ways. IPM का तुम don't expect IPM will be easy, right? Don't expect IPM to be very easy question, right?
IPM is make us do Olympiad.
21.
ओलंपियड बोलो
एक मिनट 21 question एक सेकंड चलो we'll do 20 ये नहीं हुआ there.
क्लास 5 से क्या रहा
मेरा हाथ अटक
हाँ?
गया।
Wait, बेटा. It is not done. बेटा ये मैंने गलती से
Why
done
are
किया.
you renaming?
रीनेम इसीलिए कर रहा हूँ कि हुआ नहीं है अभी तक, राइट?
तो मेरा नाम लिख दो उधर।
Dhiran, don't do time pass, right? I'm not here to do time pass.
कम्मी। मॉम।
Now you have to solve all the chapter wise and question papers, right?
We have
Start
to
from
solve
24.
this.
Whatever doubts you have, you have to write. है ना? मैं तुमको बताता हूँ डाउट कैसे लिखने का. Okay?
Sir, why do we have to solve this white?
Which white?
You showed now we have to solve this white.
Question paper, not white.
Right, right.
I'll show you how to put the doubts. Okay? देखो यहाँ पे बताता हूँ.
Now
By
we
the
have
time
to
it is
solve.
by the time it is opening, I'm showing you this how to use it, right?
Mar backs money or month is tech.
सब कुछ.
Mom.
Okay, grade
Oh,
6.
with
Wait. I'm just showing you how to. Wait.
final.
Dhiran.
Oh.
Dhiran.
Yes.
आवाज मत कर बेटा. बहुत आवाज कर रहा है तू. Too much of noise.
Update.
Navika, why your video is off? अरे mic is off. Ganishka,
Yes, sir.
Navika,
Yes.
why his video is off? चलो ठीक है. Now see, Dhiran. Hey Dhiran, look at this. Everybody look at this. How the answer doubts to be solved. Can you see this? No doubts. Question number. Exercise 4 or chapter 4. Doubt number 4, 14, 15, 21. For question 5, exercise 5, exercise 6, exercise, that is chapter number, right? He has given a very complete list how to put the doubts. Clear? Yes or no? So you also have to put the doubts here, right? Correct? And if you see this, I'll show you some other 7 wala, right? I'll just show you grade 7. ये देखो. Can you see it? Chapter 6, question number, time taken more than 30 seconds, 30 minutes. ये देखो. Can you see this? Chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6. Doubt दिख रहा है? Can you see the doubts? This is how you have to put the doubts. Clear? Can you see this? Yes or no? Correct. Hello? Am I reading? I am audible?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. चलो. So now 2020 chapter will take it, right? 2020 का paper, right?
Today?
Okay.
1990.
Yeah. Today only, right? Now I'll give you some of the question to solve. कितना time लगेगा तुमको? How much time will take?
1 hour.
1 hour नहीं. I'm giving only 5-6 questions to do it, right?
Then 10 minutes.
Very good.
आधा
ठीक है.
घंटा.
Can
आधा
you-
घंटा.
नहीं. कैसे आधा घंटा लगेगा? आधा घंटा है क्या तुम्हारे पास? In 1 hour you have to solve 60 questions. कितना?
In the home.
No, in the exam.
In 1
Can
hour.
you see the screen?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Which questions you can see?
10, 11, 12, 13, 6.
Can you read easily? Can you read easily?
No.
Sindhu practices
One
badminton.
beta. Can you read this easily?
Yes.
Because this is the same question they have asked again. Can you see this?
It's very teeny tiny.
Same question they have asked again. Can you see this here?
Answer is 2.
I can see it.
Right? I'm saying how many questions you are able to see. That is what I am asking.
I can see 4 questions.
I can see 6. I can see 4 questions.
कैसे 4 question from which question to which question you are able to see?
4 questions. 31, 32,
31,
33.
32, 33, 34.
30 you can see, right?
Yes.
So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, right?
There's no 35, 36.
Yes.
It is there. Go down. It is there.
I can't
In the
see.
shared properly.
Sir, I can see 30, 31.
I can see 35, 36.
Karna?
Sir, I
Correct है ना?
can.
It is go down. You can see. It
Sir,
is.
I
Chalo. I'm giving you 10 minutes to solve this. Okay? It's
30,
15.
okay.
Solve it. Come on, fast. Solve. I am pausing the recording. Start. Okay. Chalo. 30th question. Tell me. Which of the following set of the coins will make 8 rupees 75 paise?
Rupees 5 plus rupees 1
Hmm.
plus 450 paisa
5
plus 325 paisa.
Option 2, right?
Yes.
Okay.
rupees 5.
Okay. How many triangles are there? Chalo. How many triangles are there?
So 4 triangles are there.
6
Nice.
triangles.
Option 1.
6 triangles are there.
6 triangles.
There's
Very
4
good.
triangles.
1, 2, 3. The bigger one, 4. Then this is 5th one.
8 triangles.
And this is 6 triangles. 8 triangle नहीं है बेटा. There is
8
no.
है.
नहीं है बेटा. 6
There are
triangles.
so many triangles.
There are 6 triangles, right? Let me show you. Let me show you the triangles.
Okay,
Right?
got it. The one behind.
First, the bigger one.
Yeah, but first the bigger one, the 3 smaller one, and this is 5th one,
Then,
and this is 6th one.
And that is the sixth one. There are six.
Sixth one, right?
right side one. It's the fifth one.
Right? These are the two triangles, and then you have one triangle is this 1, this is 2, this is 3, and a
Yes.
fourth one is a bigger one triangle, right? Fourth one is a bigger one triangle, correct?
Yes.
Got it? So there are total 6 triangles. How many?
6
Then
triangles.
whenever you have this time, so you should do 3, then 2 and 1. What is the shortcut is? When this type of triangle comes, what you need to do is, what is the individual triangle? This is 3 triangle plus 2 triangle
triangles
plus
plus
1
two
triangle
triangle plus
is equal to
one
6. Correct? Chalo. In which
Answer
of the
is
following
1.
figure, least number of boxes you have to shade make the whole figure to be shaded more than a half. More than a half. How many are total? Count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 16 boxes, right? And how many are shaded already? How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many more you will shade? Because more than half. So half is become 8. So you need to total shade 9 one. And out of this 6 is already shade, right? So you have to shade 3 more. Correct? Is it clear?
Yes.
So what to do? Total 16 boxes, right? 16 boxes divided by 2, which will be half, will be 8, right? And you have to shade more than half. So more than half is equal to 9, correct? And you already shaded 6 are shaded. So 3 more to be shaded, right? Correct?
For 33 answer is 1.
बेटा 33 को अभी नहीं करना है बेटा मेरे को पहले 32 समझ में आया फिर 32 पे जाओ मिरर इमेज वेरी गुड यहाँ पे आया तो यहाँ पे मिरर लगाएगा राइट यू पुट अ मिरर हियर राइट so what do you get it has to be ulta yeah third is the answer correct
Sir, I checked in the mirror and
अच्छा मिरर में चेक कर लिया वेरी गुड बेटा ठीक है each number in the number track given by the adding the previous two numbers
Answer is 43.
very good so when you add the previous two numbers what you will get given the complete total of this a plus b plus e in the number track what is this this will be 12 right and 12 plus
So,
this is a plus b will be 12 right because adding the two numbers so a plus b will be
5 and 7.
no not necessarily 5 and 7 it can be 12 anything right it can be 6 and 6 also right And then E will be, what will be E? E will be whatever,
E will be
31, right?
what?
With 31.
12 plus 19, right? Is equal to 31. So what is A plus B plus E?
Sir, the answer is 43.
B plus
Yeah, the answer
E
is what?
is equal to 12 plus 31 is equal to 43. Correct?
Yes.
Chalo. What is next?
In the month of the February
2020,
2020,
which of the
which of the
following
following days appeared 5 times?
is given that
It is given that 14 February 2020 was on
Friday.
Friday.
Right. So which sequence you have to remember? You have to remember which sequence when you have the calendar 1, 8, 15, 22 and 29. Correct? This starts with the first day, right? So every 7 days it is repeating. So 14 is the 14 is what?
Friday. Dika focus.
14 is Saturday.
14 is Friday है.
Saturday.
So 15 is Saturday, right? Correct? So answer will be even 29 will be Saturday because 29 February is 29 days, correct?
Yes.
So answer is Saturday.
It's a leap year. You
Leap
understand?
year,
Manu?
right? This 2022, 20 is leap year. When the number is divisible by 4, it is a leap year, right?
yes.
Sir, the numbers come in 4 table. That is.
Right? There is one more exception which I'll teach you next time, right? Now 36. The digit 4 in the 100 place of which number? This is at 100 place. That is the answer, right? First is the answer. And just
First.
check the second one. Second one is in tens place. Third one is the thousand place. And here the unit place. Correct? Correct, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Sir.
Now this is 37 to 39. This I cannot do it right now. So we'll do it next time. Correct? So next time I'll continue with the paper 2020. You just solve this and come next time. Clear?
Okay.
Correct? Next class, I will solve the paper. Next class, I will solve the remaining paper of 2020. Correct? Remaining paper of 2020. Okay. So solve this and be ready with the answers, right? Ready with the answers, right? Correct, eh? Chalo. See you. Bye.
Bye bye, Dada. See you.